selling, but then I'm the macho like Randy. The club will go out to the granny. This nigga pull up your bandit. The killers understand it.
One.
Hey guys, this might be a very short video here. So here, I want to show you like something very like I want to show you something here. You know, like Tweetbird that you're gonna see in my natural survival disaster video. Well, I'm gonna give you the code to like get it for free. So go tweet and then Roblox. See, when I redeem, code already redeemed. So see, that's a code. It's available. Just go and use it. Bye guys, and see you later. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Alright, forgive me here. I don't know. This is kind of fun. So, yep, code already. Okay. Yep, that's all I want to show.